All right, new knife day, and we're going to open this new knife with this Kizer Madrac. That's a micarta handle, Nitro-V blade. I really like this knife. Comes in a lot of different styles. I'll include some information in the description if that Kizer is of interest to you. But for now, let's talk about this new knife that just came in, which is a Fintiso. Almost sounds Italian, but it is not. It is also not an old company. They incorporated back in 2022, so smack dab in the middle of COVID, a knife company burst onto the scene. So let's see what we have here. Well, I'll tell you what it is, because I placed the order from Fintiso. It is the Odyssey. And I think you're going to appreciate the color combination here once we get it open. So, all right, so we got a user manual. I think underneath that I see the carry case, zipper carry case. All right. Let's see what's inside. I love this part when you crack her open. And okay, so we have a towel for wiping fingerprints and some hardware. Okay, some Torx screws that may come in handy later. Some company literature. There's the logo. All right. So let's take a look at this knife. This is the Fintiso Odyssey. And I really love this color combination. It's, two dark colors don't always sound like they're going to go well, but this green and dark gray, I don't know, it looks great. Two ways to open this. You got the flipper tab, you got a thumb stud. Sounds good when it opens. I bet you it's sharp. We'll find out here in just a minute. But yeah. Oh, towards the end here, once we wrap up, we'll take a look at some lanyard colors as well. But let's see if this passes the paper test. All right, so it passed the test. It's not the sharpest knife I've ever had, but it's definitely something I can work with, and some poly tube, half-inch poly tube. So I guess if I wanted to work in the yard with this thing, I could. It's pretty. I don't know if I want that in the yard. And lanyard, so the chartreuse, that's a maybe. Definitely stands out if you're looking to not lose your knife. And then this cyan or light blue, I don't know. I don't think that really goes all that well. That's going to go in the no pile. So let's see what else we have as far as lanyard colors. Red, yeah, I'm putting that in the maybe pile. Yeah, I bet you we find some colors that work better, but yeah, red's a maybe. And then this, like safety orange, this kind of color of a safety vest. That could work. I'm going to put that in the maybe pile as well. And then there's the navy. I love that color. I just don't think it works with this. So we have that dark navy blue and a dark green on a dark blade. And really nothing complements another color here. So that's going to be a no. And then yellow. Hey, that might work. That just might work. So yellow maybe, orange maybe. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, light gray. Light gray, that is a very real possibility. So light gray is a maybe. I need a probably pile, but that's going to be a maybe. A maroon, it doesn't look terrible. That's going to be a maybe as well. And then what we got here? Oh, maroon again. Okay. Black is also a maybe, if we want to go stealth mode. Dark green, dark gray blade, and a black lanyard, that's a maybe. And then khaki. That could work. That's going to go in the maybe / probably pile. So what we pick? What would you pick? What's going to go with this beauty of a knife? I picked yellow. So there we go. It works, and as far as jeans go, is it's a realistic carry EDC, and yeah, back pocket of some jeans here. Not too big, sits nice and deep, easy access. That's gonna work. And what about the front pocket? Same deal. Yeah, that's gonna work. And that little pocket above there is kind of worthless, so we don't use that. But the front right pocket will also work. Hey, thanks for watching.